It's the 21st century and the robots are coming. Kia ora, my name is Greg Scriven. I'm Head of Science here at Te Wharekura Mauao. Te Wharekura Mauao is a full immersion school with 47 marae from around the Bay of Plenty feeding into it. There's a huge digital divide between mainstream schools and Wharekura such as ours, which tend to have much smaller numbers and less funding. I have a vision of students learning science and mathematics in digital technology contexts. So I found out about the program from Genesis School Gen Trust. I had a spare half an hour, so I decided to fill in the application and thought nothing much of it, and was delighted to find a couple of months later I had received the grant.
Tino pai te hanga I wēnei Lego mea e taia kia niki nā te mea tuatahi. He satisfying tuarua e taia kia ako I wetahi mea hou. I did the coding for this robot, so then whenever you put something in front of it, it moves backwards.
I believe it's very important to integrate STEM into the classroom, science, technology, engineering and mathematics teaching, and it'd be nice for the students to be programming the robots rather than being replaced by the robots. My aim is to get them hooked into it and get them watching YouTube clips and get the momentum going, and then all of a sudden they unleash their creativity. There are massive opportunities available for Māori and Pasifika students that are not really being taken up. This equipment really allows us to raise the aspirations of Māori students. My hope is that we will be able to tie it into mātauranga Māori in the future.